Corporate Technology Solutions is a full-service information technology consulting firm based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We want to work with you to create solid business solutions that make intelligent use of technology. By working directly alongside our clients throughout the entire project life cycle, we ensure that each information technology initiative is tied directly to your strategic objectives. Then, with a clear understanding of the project, we draw on our extensive technical know-how to implement a system that best fulfills your needs.
These segments that we have chosen to address in the new normal are collaboration tools and work from home requirements, which include mobility data SIM cards and broadband services. These are the key platforms on which the entire new normal is prevailing. When I talk about collaboration tools, we sell services of Google Meet, we sell services of Cisco. So this enables the entire organizations to be online, which is very important for all the new normal work from home users to address, is a basic internet connection. The basic internet connection in case of feasible areas is provided through a broadband service, wherein we are partnering a Vodafone Group company called U Telecom. Apart from that, we also have, for non-feasible locations or for remote users, we have data SIM cards or data cards, which are both USB as well as hotspot enabled, which ensure that the user is connected from the residence at all times, wherein his work is flourishing seamlessly, and he is able to perform duties which he was performing right while he was in the office. So this has saved a lot of effort on the part of the user, and since we are present in all the three segments, we are able to address the entire user fraternity, especially ITES, wherein the requirement is A, remote, and second, it is a 24/7 requirement, so user can be addressed in both the scenarios. With regards to the go-to-market strategy, that we have adopted, the go-to-market strategy in our case in the new normal would be completely digital. So we are working with all the social platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp to address our group of customers, as well as hunt for new ITES as well as industry wherein the requirements are generated. Presently, with the new normal prevailing in, the greenfield projects are not going to come in as rapid as it was planned. So the facilitation of the present scenario of present incumbent users in the form of their remote working requirements, which could be as good as security of data, which can be provided by a VPN connectivity, cloud telephony, which enables agent-based calling across the spectrum, and which is a requirement of most of these corporate fraternity, wherein their customers are required to be addressed or supported on daily basis. So the new normal, enables our team size to get themselves reskilled in terms of digital address to the marketplace. So gone are the days when we used to have cold calls or follow-up calls with a visit from our team members to the respective sites or respective customer premises. So that has now changed to a digital address, and we are pushing in all the content or all the regular updates time and again that we have to facilitate. And this has found a lot of interest in our customer fraternity also. We get queries and a smaller requirement, but then there is a requirement, there is a customer at the other end who is requiring a facility or has a challenge to work from home, and we are best equipped to address it in all formats of the telecom or the IT space. We have identified certain priorities, which is a video conferencing hardware solution. In case of tier 2 towns, which are branch locations for multiple service providers with their headquarters at a particular metro or a mini metro, these the senior leadership team of such organizations earlier erstwhile used to travel to the branch locations or vice versa for monthly meets and reviews. Now this has been completely changed to a video conference requirement, wherein the tier 2 towns are still operational with the branches functional, while the managing director or the senior leadership team of an organization would like to review them over a video conference call. Or the best fit example would be of a board meeting which have prevailed to continue on a digital platform, wherein the BOD or the board of directors would like to be seated in a single, you know, operational conference room, and would like to have the clarity and recording of the complete transaction that have taken place for the records. So such requirements are addressed by video conferencing hardware, and we have added this as a portfolio, added it in our portfolio, and this has given us exciting results. I mean, if I talk about 2 quarters which have gone under the new normal, we've been able to sell at least 8 endpoints of higher end, and along with the subscription tools, okay, or the collaboration tools to facilitate location based conferencing solution. So this is one area which I can talk about as a growth accelerator. Second area would be the secure VPN Connect, okay, because since most of the organizations are operating from their residences, so there is a security issue on the data which belongs to the organization, so that it doesn't go into the wrong hands, or it does not get into it is like, as a protection policy or an end customer agreement, it is not violated. So to ensure that there is a secure VPN, which is an end product, which facilitates security once the user logs into the server. So there we have great traction on those requirements. So these are a couple of growth accelerators that we can talk about. Further, this would also, result in requirements of security, which is a desktop security as well as mobile security, because there will be a lot of compromises when you connect to a remote, and these devices are generally, as of now, our belongingness of these devices personal, because the new normal did not permit us enough time for an organization to plan the hardware requirements, and it was not time bound effort, so nobody could plan. So present infra, which the organization users use, is owned by them, or maybe in some cases provided by the organization. So to have a complete control of such devices, it is very much required that they are secure, and B, when they log into the server, the data transferred or the data exchange is also secure. So that is the accelerator, or those are the services which have seen an accelerated growth for us, and we would like to build on these products to take this further.